Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Taeja Unlimited. So today I'm really excited to be doing my first ever review of Scentbird from New York. This is a monthly subscription where essentially you're able to either pick some perfumes that you'd like for them to send you, or they can customize and randomly send you 3. So I actually chose to do the one where they actually pick 3 for me based on the scents that I like. So yeah, this is my first time ordering and subscribing with this particular brand, Scentbird. So really excited to see what we got in store. So stay tuned. Alright, now let's open it up and see what's inside. So first, I like this packaging. I like that it's not a box. It's kind of one of those slips where, it's easy for the mail carrier to just put it in your mailbox versus, having to worry like, oh, are they going to leave it on the front doorstep? Will somebody steal it? A shady person? So I do like the packaging, very simple. Just black with the Scentbird logo. So let's open it up. Oh. All right, so the first, hello beautiful. Oh, hello, okay. Let's see, welcome. So a nice little welcome card to Scentbird. I like that. Okay, shows you how to use it. Okay. Oh, and you can replace it. Interesting. All right. And then also it tells me the 3 fragrances that they gave me for this month. So that includes the Black Tulip, Saint, and Blossom Love. All right, comes with a little cute little black carrying case. Very nice. And let's open it up. Oh, it's all velvety. Okay. So this is how the packaging is. This cool little tube here. And all I have to do is twist the bottom and the fragrance comes up. Now, what I really like about this is that you can actually change the vials out. So if you just give it a little tug, this vial will come out and you can exchange them, since 3 actually came with my subscription. So the one that you really want to like take on the go with you, you could just choose that one, pop it in there, and then you're all set. So again, it just twists down, very similar to like a lipstick tube, and then there you go. There we go. Oh, all right, okay. All right, so this is nice. I like it. Very like fruity and very girly. I love it. This is definitely like an everyday wear that I would actually put on like before work or before going out. Just very fresh. And yeah, I actually really love this smell. This is the Black Tulip by Nest Fragrances. All right, so I'm gonna try it on my other hand just to see how it smells. All right, here we go. Okay. All right, this smell is pretty subtle, even though I did, have a few pumps of it. It is pretty subtle. I feel like this actually smells really good though. And it could be on or for a male or female, honestly. Like, if my husband put this on, I'd be like, oh, you're smelling good. And, I'm sure if I put it on, he would say the same thing. So, I really like that one. All right, very nice, very nice. Exciting to see how this one smells. So I'm just gonna put some a little bit higher on my arm and see how it smells. Chris Reed got the bangers. Okay. Ooh, okay. This is not the one for me. You might like it, but the smell it's a no. So this one, again, this was the Blossom Love. I'm not feeling the love, okay, and this is just gonna be it. What's really cool about Scentbird is they don't just do fragrances. They actually do like makeup, skincare, and candles that they can include in the subscription as well. So I think for the price, it is a pretty good deal. So for about $20, and I think it usually, when there's no special offer or sale going on, they usually can do the three product subscription for about $35 or so. So I mean, honestly, it's not bad. Like I said, 2 out of the three I really liked, and for it to be that Scentbird actually chose the fragrances for me versus me just going on there and choosing three, which you can do. They have a whole list of a ton of top fragrances that you can choose from. If I were to continue my subscription with them, I would probably just choose my own three for the next time. But for the first time, you know, for them choosing it randomly, they did a pretty good job. And yeah, so that was my review. Overall, I really do like the subscription. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel as well as ring that bell. You can ring the bell. Okay, yeah, but y'all already know, ring that bell. So that way, when I post my videos, which will be happening every week, you'll get a notification and be one of the first to watch. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you'd like for me to do any reviews on any fragrance of your choice. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Chris Reed got the bangers.